Jersey City, Newport area right there. Most of the darkness right to the right of those buildings is Hoboken. Off in the distance, you've got the GWB, barely visible. Now we get into Manhattan. You'll see that along the water, Manhattan is dark. Midtown, it's fairly well lit up. Empire State Building. And then we pan across Chelsea, Lower West Side. Police activity along the West Side Highway. And as we get down to the World Financial Center, some of the buildings are lit back up. And some are not. Hard to make out there, but the Freedom Tower is not illuminated. And then we head on over to the Battery. And now we're looking at Governor's Island and Brooklyn in the distance. And then back, the last spot of Jersey City. We've got the Goldman Sachs Tower, but largely dark on this side as well. Harborside Financial Center right there.